Okay, so we're entering the offices where the water damage happened. As you can see, we had to cut the walls over here. We got our equipment set up. There are a few rooms that were affected. Now we're just drying it out. Now, you can see that some walls are cut, and then some walls aren't. The differences between these walls, these are drywall, and these are concrete. So, there's no need, obviously, there is no need to dry these concrete walls, but the drywalls, we need to dry it out. I would say it's about maybe 2.5 feet. Walls with our equipment lined up. Okay, you come over here as well. You'll see that there's a bunch of content that has been affected by the water. Right there, right there. This wall we had to cut. This wall is okay, it's concrete. So is that wall. So is that wall. This desk already started to buckle. Warp, I should say, not buckle. We also do content drying, everybody. Like for example, these sofas, these couches, the sofas. If they were wet, we would also dry them out because we are capable of doing